Welcome to 71 Carnival Court. This beloved family home is available for the first time in 40 years, and it sits on one of the best spots in the neighborhood. You're gonna love it. Come on in, let me show you around. The spacious kitchen with an eat-in area is perfect for family gatherings. The open concept living and dining room boast hardwood floors, large windows overlooking the backyard, and a flexible space. The primary bedroom is huge with a walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom, and room for a workout area or home office. The second and third bedrooms are generously sized with parquet floors, double closets, and large windows. The walkout basement features a garage entrance, a cozy family room with fireplace, an extra bedroom, bathroom, and laundry room. Surrounded by parks, shops, schools, and easy transit access, this special home is not one to miss. Book your showing today.